Happy New Year. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make dill pork patties. I actually use a combination of pork and chicken, ground meat, and we add in a little bit of dill, and that freshness really makes such a difference. It's so delicious. If you don't like dill, you can always do like fresh parsley or cilantro, but I'm telling you, if you add the dill, it'll be so good. So I'm so excited to share it with you. If you enjoy the video and the recipe, make sure that you give us a big thumbs up at the end of the video. And if you have not yet subscribed, you need to do that right now. Just go down below and hit the subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding,